Brian Laundrie's autopsy has been completed without answers, and now his bones will be shipped off to an anthropologist for further evaluation, TMZ has learned. Laundrie family attorney, Stephen Bertolino, tells us the coroner just trapped, and no matter or cause of death could be identified through his remains. Bertolino says the next step will be to send his bones to an anthropologist to be examined. The parents of fugitive Brian Laundrie ventured into Florida's Mirakahatchee Creek Environmental Park today, where Fox News Digital saw an officer apparently tell parents that law enforcement might have found something. At Fox News Digital #GabbyPetitio #BrianLaundriePic.twitter.com/no9wizim5a Laura Engel not Ingram, at Laura Engel, October 20, 2021 at Laura Engel. Bertolino tells us he's not sure why the anthropologist is getting involved, but online studies say the experts are brought into cases when bodies are too far along in the decomposition process to determine a cause of death using soft tissue. As we reported, Laundrie's remains were first found off of a Florida trail Wednesday near his backpack and notebook. The FBI positively identified the bones found as Brian thanks to dental records. Investigators say it appears Brian's body had been decomposing in the area for several weeks, and prior to their discovery, the remains had been in an area that was underwater. Gabby Petito's family has not made an official comment on the findings.